Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by locking the essentials, identify your ideal customer profile, industry, revenue band, and job title, so you focus. Then craft a one-page value pitch with a single, measurable CTA that explains what you deliver and why it matters. Once done, create CRM contact fields and source tags, and add UTM tracking for every link. Now launch a small outreach. 25 personalized messages over 3 days to test messaging and response. You move from test to scale by segmenting responses into intent and buying stage, and then creating 3 nurture paths tailored to each. Make sure to automate multi-touch sequences, email, phone, LinkedIn, with a 7 to 14-day cadence and varied messaging themes. Monitor key metrics continuously: open rate, reply rate, and meetings booked. Pivot messaging where conversion drops. Once you see consistent replies, route high-intent leads directly to sales for live demos and proposals. You finalize by running structured demos with a 3-point agenda: problem, solution, next steps, then get a verbal agreement on the immediate follow-up. Present clear pricing tiers and a deadline-based incentive to create urgency. Make sure contracts and procurement timelines are noted. If deals stall, audit 3 areas: your messaging for relevance, your targeting accuracy, and the CTA friction, like long forms or unclear pricing. Fix the biggest blocker, then re-engage within 48 hours to regain momentum.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.